Hi, GoNoodlers! Squatchy here at Great Wolf Lodge, ready to have some fun. Squatchy can splash in pool, swing on ropes, slide the tube. Oh, Squatchy's just so excited! But Squatchy heard you need to warm up your arms and legs before having some fun. Well, Squatchy say, let's do the Great Wolf Stomp, the Squatchy REMIX! All you do is stomp, stomp, clap, and freestyle! That's it! Let's do it again. Stomp, stomp, clap, and freestyle! Yeah! Squatchy think we all ready! Oh, Squatchy at the water park now. Squatchy too excited to wait. Ready, GoNoodlers? 3, 2, 1, rock and roll! Stomp, stomp, clap! Stomp, stomp, clap! Stomp, stomp, clap, clap! Stomp, stomp, clap! Stomp, stomp, clap! Stomp, stomp, clap, clap! Freestyle! Good job! To the Great Wolf Stomp! Pool was so much fun, but so wet. So Squatchy now trying out an adventure park. We switch up like Great Wolf Stomp Squatchy REMIX. Try to follow Squatchy again. In 3, 2, 1, yee-haw! Stomp, stomp, clap! Stomp, stomp, clap! Stomp, stomp, clap, clap! Stomp, stomp, clap! Stomp, stomp, clap! Stomp, stomp, clap, clap! Freestyle! Ha ha ha! To the Great Wolf Stomp! Yeah! Woo-hoo! And Squatchy back here again! Now, ready for the Great Wolf Super Awesome Extra Fun Dance Party! But you know, before we party, we need one more Great Wolf Stomp Squatchy REMIX! One last time! In 3, 2, 1, party! Stomp, stomp, clap! Stomp, stomp, clap! Stomp, stomp, clap, clap! Stomp, stomp, clap! Stomp, stomp, clap! Stomp, stomp, clap, clap! Freestyle! That's it! Yeah! To the Great Wolf Stomp! Woohoo! Wolf-tastic, everybody! So much clapping and stomping and so much Come join Squatchy at Great Wolf Lodge, where there's fun for everyone! Learn more at greatwolf.com!